Hey, what's up, guys, gals, friends? Hope you guys are having a good end of your 2021. My name is Buddy. You may or may not know me personally. I want to show you guys my side hustle I have. I have a pretty cool side hustle. As you can see here, this is my precious metals collection, and these are MS-70 coins, and these dollars. These are called goldbacks. Those are dollar goldbacks. I guess they have those in Utah. And I have some little pieces of gold. I got grams of gold right here. That's 1 gram right there, another gram right there, another one right there. It's actually a little panda coin. And I have some 1 ounce silver coins. And then I have these half dollars right here. And so the reason I'm showing you this is because this is my side hustle. I have a really cool side hustle. I own my own international silver and gold business, and I'm on a monthly membership, and I get to make money sharing memberships with people just like myself. I'm a single dad. I have 5 kids. I have four of them are at home, and these are one of my side hustles that I have here. This is called MintBuilder, and this is one of the first silver and gold international precious metals opportunities, and it pays very well. You can earn residual income with this, and you can get gold, silver at a whole price comparative to anybody in the world. You can you can purchase gold and silver. I actually get a piece of gold or silver in the mail, safely in the mail. It gets sent in the mail every month, and I have a monthly membership. And what I do is I just do it by word of mouth. I share with people. Hey, this may or not be a good fit for you, but would you be open to take a look at what I'm doing to make some extra money? And basically what I say, I can share this business on social media. I can do review videos like this video is probably going to go on YouTube and go on social media, and I just share it with people. It's worldwide. It's called Mint Builder. It was created by Matt Varkas, and you can get a membership with Mint Builder, and it's up to you fairly solely. If you want to, you can get tangible products. What I mean by that is you can get a piece of silver. It's up to your whatever your budget is. It starts off all the way from $17 a month, and there's some coins that are worth $200 or more. You can get coins like that. It's solely up to whatever your budget is. And another reason that you'd want to collect precious metals is so you can protect yourself from inflation. You know that over these years the paper currency has lost, the value has dropped, and one thing that we know for sure is this stuff has been documented since time. Since time has been documented, gold and silver has always been worth something. So, this is one thing that's really never, it's beat the inflation. It's always been worth something. So, this is a way to stack your wealth, build your assets. I would like to have a whole room full of this stuff. I actually know some people that do have rooms and rooms full of this stuff, precious metals, and it's never going to lose value like the paper currency. So it's a good way to protect yourself. You can stack it, you can share it with other people that are like-minded, that want to make an extra income, and you can make a very, very generous income yourself with this. It's called Mint Builder. Um, so if you want to find out more information about this, if you're a single parent, or if perhaps you want to make an extra income, or maybe you just want to stack some coins, some silver or some gold, and collect it. You don't have to do it as a home business, but it's your choice if you want to or not. You get your own website that has a bunch of different jewelry, bullion. You can get golds as small as a half a gram of gold, or grams, or even higher. You can get gold bars. You can get gold coins with this business. And one of the cool things I like about MintBuilder is they have a buyback program. You can sell your, I mean, if you ever needed to, you can sell your precious metals that you got from them, from the price that you got it from. Not the membership price, but the price of what the coin was. They have a buyback program. And another thing I like about MintBuilder is every membership feeds a hungry child around the world. And it says, that's right here, this order fed a hungry child. Every membership feeds a hungry child, and you get a certificate of authenticity for each item, coin that you get. So if you want to check out MintBuilder, then what you're going to want to do is around this video, there may be a form, or there may be a button. There may be a button that's going to go to another page that's going to explain this better than I can. And, I'm just showing you my collection, what I do, and, I'm just letting you guys know that I'm a real person. So if you have any questions, my cell phone number is probably going to be around this video too. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to walk you through on any questions that you got and walk you through on getting started. We also have a community that we're a part of. We have a Facebook group that we're part of. We have weekly trainings. So there's a lot of support to whether you're a newbie and you're just starting to grow a home business, or you're just thinking about it, or you may be seasoned. So nonetheless, this is a very, very legit opportunity that you can get your hands on. You can own your own silver and gold home business, international silver and gold home business. So hit that button around this video somewhere, and you'll find out more details how you can get started. We actually have a promotion, or the MintBuilder has a promotion that's going on. You can get started for free your first month, and they'll send you a free piece of silver in the mail. No shipping needed, no cost needed. You can start for free with MintBuilder, and it's just a promo, so you can test it out for yourself and check everything out. So check that video out, or hit the button around the video, and you'll find out more details there. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the inside, and God bless. Have a good one. Have a good end of your 2021, and let's make 2022 your best year yet. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye.